can see, I have a whole beach to myself. All by myself. So yeah, the brother about to go get in this water by himself. I know best. See that? Just me. And the beach. Let me go show y'all people how clear this water is right here. Ooh, look, pretty shell, pretty shell. Kind of nippy, but it's okay though. It's okay. It's the ocean. Look at that. Look at that. You can still see my toes in this water because it's so pretty. So pretty. But I'm going to go on in. I'm going to get me some. Ain't got much time, but I'm going to get a little something. All right. Just giving you a quick view. All around me. It was raining a minute ago, so the water is going to be a little nippy, but hey, you know what? We're going to get it. Listen to that beautiful sound of this water.